Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Trello's advanced checklists for better task management. The first step is to create a new card in your chosen Trello board. This is crucial because cards are the building blocks of your Trello system. They are where your tasks, ideas, and projects live. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Checklist button within the card. This helps us because it allows us to break down the overall task into manageable, bite-sized pieces. The next step is to start adding items to your checklist. Don't worry about the order just yet. Just get everything down. The reason we do this is to ensure we're not missing any important steps in the task. Now let's reorder our checklist items. Click and drag them into the order that makes the most sense for you. This step is important because it allows you to prioritize your tasks, ensuring that the most critical items are dealt with first. Finally, let's utilize Trello's advanced checklist features. Click on the three dots next to the checklist title and select Convert to Advanced Checklist. This allows us to assign checklist items to specific team members, set due dates, and even add labels. This is a game changer because it adds another layer of organization and accountability to your tasks. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Trello's advanced checklists for better task management. Remember, the key is to break it down, prioritize, and utilize the advanced features to keep everyone on track. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.